The only crime I'll ever commit is stealing your heart. Hey, what's up guys, it's me, Kim Camaro Room, and welcome to my third video. So today I'll be doing this look. It is kind of simple. Yeah. It's a simple look. I don't know what I'm doing with my look and I don't know what I'm saying. So today I'll be using this eye look. Using this. It's by JCat Beauty, the Hollywood eyeshadow palette. I'm so sorry, I don't know why it's dirty. And this is how it looks. The one thing when I got it is I was kind of sad because it looks way different online, or it looks way different from the Hush website. I know, like, yeah, there were a couple of colors that were different. That I don't know. I was just kind of sad because I did fall in with the colors that I saw, you know, like on the website. I mean, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You just can't, and you know, I didn't want to return it because I think you'd only return products if you haven't opened it. But whatever, you gotta move on. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, I hope you guys watch and stay tuned. Gosh, I always feel like I'm so cute. Then it's like, nah girl, you ugly. Okay. So I'm gonna go into the yellow and like just go in with like the inner corner of my eye. And then just because like the way that my eyelids are shaped, I am going to go like a little more upward with it. Like at work, they try to tell us like have conversation with people. You know, it's also just like one thing that I'm gonna go with this orange right here that I want to do because I feel like I'm an awkward person. So like I tried having a conversation with someone and it was just so awkward. We just like looked straight into each other's eyes for like a minute or two. We're like, oh my gosh. One thing about me is I cannot do eye contact and it makes me so uncomfortable. Just like looking at you in the eyes, I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot do that. So if I have a conversation with you, you just see me like looking at your forehead or just like looking at your eyes, and I like go away because like I get too scared just like looking at your eyes. You know, and it's bad because like some people think like, oh, you're hiding something, you know, but like no, it's just I can't do eye contact. That's just the kind of person that I am. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my other blending brush, this one right here, and I'm just kind of going to blend it in. So what I kind of did is I kind of added this color as a base. I'm gonna go in with that. Oh my gosh, that's like really quick. And I just like added it to the outer corner. Like that right there. Yeah, so you don't really have to add that much. And then what I did, then I think what color was it? I think I went in with this one right here. Just add just a little bit. And I did this because I wasn't sure like what colors I wanted to do. So I'm just trying to do the exact same thing that I did to the other eye. And then I was like, oh no, I don't like this. Not girl. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with this purple right here. Yeah, I just feel like the one thing that I personally hate about most eyeshadow palettes is I don't know why they always like most colors need glitter. Like I just want to find like a matte eyeshadow palette like that's just all matte and like have no glitter, but nope, haven't found any that I liked or that has like no glitter or like just like shimmery. I don't know, I like matte. I feel like that's just the kind of person I am. Okay. And then I'm just gonna like add it like kind of like where the just like leave a little bit of orange and just do that. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm not gonna start all over again. Actually, so I was actually supposed to do this color, but I really don't want to start all over again. So I'm just gonna let's see how this works out. I think I'm just gonna like kind of going to blend it in. parched. Quenched. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this blue over here. You'll see those blue again. Okay, nothing broke. Yeah, there's this one right here. I have like eyeshadow all over me when it fell. And I'm just gonna add it like in the inner corner of my eye. Just like that. Okay. Then I am going to grab Are you serious? Why do things always happen? My life is a mess. I can't do this anymore. Everything just fell. No, Kimberly, stay strong. Life happens. And you know what? You just learn from it and then you move on. I'm gonna use this one. And then I'm just gonna grab a flat brush. Excuse me. And just like dab it in. And I'm just gonna add it onto my eyelids. Like that. So it's kind of like one of those things like where you just have to follow your eye shape. And I'm just kind of like going to like flick it out. Yeah. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with silver eyeliner. This is from NYX Glam Lighter. I got this in my Ipsy bag. So yeah, but you could honestly use any glitter eyeliner that you have, or not, or you know, you could improvise. That's not the word, but I'm just gonna do whatever. Okay, then I'm just gonna go like with the crease of my line. So I'm gonna start from all the way over here. I'm just gonna work my way out. I'm just gonna let it dry out a little. Okay, then I'm gonna grab this just a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna do a wing. Oh, fudge. Okay. I messed up. And then I'm gonna grab this mascara. The paint kind of worn off. I got this from I choked from Target. And then I'm just gonna put some mascara on. I don't know how to put eyelashes on. Yeah, if I got eyelash extensions, this would be a problem. My actually gonna do that. Ooh, girl. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with I'll put on a layer of mascara. It's a Smashbox. I got it as a sample because I got one of their kits. Came with it. Just gonna add a little bit on. Holy crap! And I'm done. For my lipstick, I did this. I got it from Hush. It was $1. So it was pretty good. It's the Kleancolor. I don't know what color this is, but I think just in general about these lipsticks is it's really sticky. So like you probably put on you put a lot of chapstick, girl. So this is how it'll look like. Oh, you can see my nose, how ugly. So yeah, so this is the final look. Damn, Ma, you good. Yes, girl. Working. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up, like, make sure you subscribe and watch my other videos. And if you guys honestly hated my video, just also give it a thumbs up and I'll deactivate my account. And yeah, thank you. Really quick, I forgot to mention this, but shout out to Dom for making the best kung pao ever. 10 out of 10. Obsessed. Yes.